I was able to generate over 250,000 followers in 1 year leveraging IG shoutout pages. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how.
It has to work or it has to work.
We've done this years ago, meaning this was about 2.5, 3 years ago where we were just running IG shoutout pages, right? Now, the cool thing about it now, they're all circling back right now and people are making so much money leveraging shoutout pages. And I'll talk about that in a second. But the idea is that you want to go on these different Instagram pages, theme pages, right? You want to pay them for a post. You want to pay influencers for a post. And ideally, the content that you're posting, it should resonate with their audience. And ultimately, it's going to end up getting you followers. And how we was able to win and monetize these followers is one. Oftentimes, when we are going on these shout out pages, we're running a webinar, we're running a special offer. So not only are we getting a follower, we're also getting, if they opt into whatever our funnel, we're getting an email, we're getting a number, we're getting a name, right? So now, not only are we getting an Instagram following, we're actually pulling them off of the app. So we're able to market to them later, right? But one of the ways to do this is going. Hey, listen, I had to stop the episode. Listen, really quick. This is the book responsible for making so many people grow their social media, right? Their income, their impact and influence, leveraging social media. And you're probably looking at it like, yo, Neil, I don't feel like waiting for you to ship me this book, right, y'all? Go to my IG Cash Book right now, myigcashbook.com. Get a direct download to get this in your inbox so you can immediately start leveraging the strategies. This is over 86 pages. Every single chapter is going to give you a gem to grow your audience, to grow your impact, and to grow your influence, right? And I literally created it for you. This is the same thing that I literally watch people go crazy with. So go to myigcashbook.com, go ahead and claim your copy. It will be in your inbox. And when you do that, buy everything that it comes with. I got an IG course with it and a bunch of other things that I know is going to truly help you go crazy. myigcashbook.com. This is go ahead and find a list of shout out pages, right? Like a Hollywood Unlocked, like a Black Wealth Crew, right? It's several pages you can find. Then you want to go ahead and find influencers, right? And you also can pay them to do posts as well. And in addition, let me give you a bonus hack. Another bonus hack that you have to do is start paying influencers with audiences to go live with you, right? So imagine if you're reaching out to certain influencers that have the ideal audience that you want, and you got a product or a service that you're selling, you are now going live with them, right? So now if you're going live with them, let's hypothetically say you go on live and they could bring 1,000 people with you, right? So when they bring 1,000 people with them and you're interviewing each other and you're now talking about your product and service, you might sell 100 of products. You might sell 10, you might sell none, right? But the idea is that make sure you're getting a call to action done in that live video, right? Which is extremely important. In addition to that call of action, make sure they're helping you push that product. And just like that, what you paid them to go live with, you just made it back by leveraging that product. In this next video, we're going to go ahead and break down other ways you can win on social media. Thank y'all for tuning in.